ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा। इस साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो।
Welcome to Media. This is your host Vinci Jain. You guys might be wondering how Congress became the most useless party in political history. So let's get started. So guys, one of the major reasons for the failure of the Congress party is the Gandhi disadvantage. The Nehru-Gandhi family political legacy had evolved into a higher loom, passing on from one generation to another, along with all the privileges associated with it. The Congress party has not been able to disassociate itself from the family, even as the family name transformed from an asset into a liability. Rahul Gandhi became the Congress party president not on merit or specific qualification, but because he happened to be born in a Gandhi. This fact was resented by many in the country. As Narendra Modi's stature grew, Rahul Gandhi looked weaker. Another reason is failure to learn from 2014 debacle. Any party suffering a massive defeat would seriously introspect and come up with innovative solutions to reinvent itself. Not the Congress. After much deliberation post 2014 results, the party decided to continue to promote Rahul Gandhi as their heir to his mother Sonia Gandhi. Though he was formally appointed party president in 2017, people saw no hope for revival under him. The next reason is the PM challenger trap. The positioning of a weak and unsure Rahul Gandhi as the direct challenger to PM Modi was a mistake and a bad strategic move. Rahul Gandhi should not have repeatedly placed himself as the person taking on a giant. Instead, he should have focused on areas where the BJP was weak: economy, jobs, demonetization, high prices, etc. The next is misplaced nationalism post Pulwama. Nationalism and security are emotive issues uniting all Indians. Rahul Gandhi, along with the party leadership, completely missed this point. They needlessly questioned the authenticity of the surgical strike post Uri attack, the Pulwama attack itself, and the subsequent Balakot strike on Pakistan. The next thing is lack of focus on anti-incumbency factors. The BJP-led NDA began losing ground in popularity with less than desired results relating to economy. The economic growth was slowing down, new jobs grew to a trickle, and fuel prices went through the roof along with commodities. Agriculture distress was hitting the government hard, and ill-planned moves like demonetization hit the common man. The Congress party failed to highlight these as the core points against the ruling NDA. The another point is Nyay introduced too late. The social welfare scheme Nyay guaranteed Rs 6,000 per month into the accounts of the poorest. In a country where a large section of population lives in abject poverty, Nyay was an unbeatable game changer and could have turned the tables of BJP. The scheme was well conceived, but the party failed to communicate core benefits to the intended segment. The next is failure to build confidence among minority groups. BJP successfully raised secularism as a Congress bogey for appeasement. Repeated mentions forced Congress to take countermeasures by resorting to soft Hindutva, visiting temples and conducting rituals. It failed to gain traction with either the Hindu community or the Muslim voters. Same with the minority community groups like Dalits and OBCs who preferred steady governance to BJP to an uncertain and possibly an unstable government under the Congress-led UPA. Now, poor organizational structure. After the 2014 debacle, the Congress failed to rebuild its already weak organizational structure, especially at the grassroots. Its workers remained confused about the core message and vague on the path forward. It showed up in the aftermath of the initial success in assembly elections in Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and MP. The party drew blank in the general elections. The next is lack of inspiring leadership. Betting on Rahul Gandhi was a mistake, and he failed to provide inspiring leadership that would energize the length and breadth of the party. He was the reason which made the China factor so obvious for the BJP. Failed to build and nurture alliances. For an old and experienced party like the Congress, it was disappointing to see them fail to build under new alliances and nurture old ones. The alliances should have been stitched up at least a year before the elections, so that a united message could go out of the country. The challenge for Congress was most of the parties viewed it as liability rather than an asset. For more updates, subscribe to Urkma Media. Thank you.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।